Prime Minister Andrew Holness is making an appeal for 8 prisoners who escaped at the Black River lockup in June to return themselves to the police.
I want to take the opportunity to appeal to residents in the parish that if you have information about the whereabouts of these escapees, please present that information to the police. There are many ways to present the information whilst maintaining your anonymity, if you so desire. But if you have information, please help us to have those escapees return to the criminal justice system.
Mr. Holness is also urging community members to share whatever information they have with the police.
This seems to be a very close-knit and peaceful community. Everybody here seems to be family, one big family. And it is communities like these that criminals believe that they can find safe haven and protection. These criminals, should they come in your midst, they are not here for your safety and protection. Eventually, even if they try to keep a low profile, eventually their true colors and intent will shine through, and they will destroy your community.